favorite channel Math Helper. See exercise 6.5 question number 7. Prove that sum of the squares are the sides of the rhombus. Suppose this is a rhombus. Rhombus all sides are equal. So suppose A, B, C, D are the sides of the rhombus. Sum of the squares of these sides is equal to sum of the squares of its diagonals. So AC and BD are diagonal. You have to prove that sum of the square of the sides means AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square is equal to sum of the squares of its diagonal means AC square plus BD square. Very important question. Now ABCD is a rhombus and diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. Bisect means suppose this point is O. These all angles are 90 degree and AO is equal to OC equal to half of AC and DO equal to OB is equal to half of BD. Means diagonals bisect each other and each angle is 90 degree. Now each angle is 90 degree, so you can apply Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle AOB, AB square will be equal to AO square plus OB square, first equation, and here you write by Pythagoras theorem. Similarly, in triangle BOC, BC square is equal to OC square plus OB square. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of perpendicular square or base square. Similarly, in triangle DOC, you will get CD square is equal to DO square plus OC square. Here also same reason by Pythagoras theorem. In triangle DOA, this triangle DOA, you will get AD square equal to DO square plus OA square. Suppose this is fourth equation. Now you want sum of all these AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square. So you will add equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. We get up to here, you note down, then I will rub and solve further. Now adding equation 1, 2, 3, 4, we will get AB square is equal to AR square plus OB square. You will write here BC square is equal to OC square plus OB square. You will write here CD square is equal to OD square plus OC square. You will write here. Then AD square is equal to OD square plus OA square. You will write here. So I not rubbed this because it will be clear from here that you are adding both the LHS and RHS. You are getting this. Now AO is equal to OC is equal to half AC and DO is equal to OB is equal to half BD. I have written here, which already we have proved that in a rhombus diagonal bisect each other, therefore they are half of full diagonal. So these you will use in this to prove what you have to prove, that for that purpose you will use this. Now LHS you want, so don't, left hand side don't touch, right hand side you see. AO you don't want and AO is half of AC. So you can put half of AC here. Before putting it, you see 2 AO are there. So you will write here 2 AO square. Then see 2 OB square is there. So you will write here OB square with 2 because OB square plus OB square is 2 OB square. Then OC square plus OC square is 2 OC square. Then OD square plus OD square is 2 OD square. So you will write here 2. Now see 2 AO is half of AC because you want AC here, so in place of AO you can write half of AC and whole square is there, so you write like this. Then OB is half of BD, so write here half of BD and whole square. Then OC is again half of AC, so you write here half of AC whole square. Then OD is again half of BD, so you write here half of BD. Then 2 into half of AC square means AC square over 4. Now 2 2s are 4, so AC square over 2. Now same way 2 into BD square over 4. Again 2 2s are 4. Then 2 AC square over 4. Then again 2 BD square over 4 again. Now AC square over 2 and AC square over 2 you can write together, and BD square over 2 and BD square over 2 you can write together. Now half of AC square plus half of AC square means AC square, otherwise you can take LCM also and you can solve. Both methods are correct. Half of AC and half of AC, when you will add you will get full of AC means AC square. Half of BD square plus half of BD square, when you will add you will get BD square. So AC square plus BD square. See what you want to prove, that came now. So you will write here hence proof. Thank you.